Here I've got ZTE Axon Pro, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *##06#. And as you can see here, we've got unique numbers assigned to your ZTE. So for example, if you are looking for IMEI number, smoothly enter this code, and here it is. Then tap on OK to go back, and let's go to another code, to the second one, which is *##, 426, ###. And as you can see, now we are in diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. So here you've got the information, and if you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon and then select advanced view, and now you'll find some further details. So that will be all for this one. Another code which will enable emote is *983 *673636 and pound at the end. And as you can see, the emote is enabled. So let me remove this code, and now we will run emote. To do it, you have to enter another code, which is *983 *0 £. And here you've got the emote, so you can smoothly test your device. It's a super useful feature. Here you've got all the options. As you can see, IMEI is marked because we entered the code, which was *#06#. But for example, you can check your ringtone here. Just click here and listen if you can hear it clearly.
To report a fire, dial 119.
So it definitely passed the test. As you can see now, it's marked as green, so it means that your ringtone is working properly. Then we can check the vibration. Just click on vibrator. And as we can hear, as I can feel, it is working properly. So it passed the test. You can also check the LCD if you want to. Just tap to check all the colors. So it definitely passed the test. Then you can also check the battery. So here you can check the battery status, power plug, battery level, battery scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, also time sense boot, and then wireless charger. So this is it. You can go back. Okay, so we can mark it as, for example, failed. You will see it red. But if you wait a couple of seconds more, then you will be able to click on pass if everything works fine. Then you can also check the key test. So let me check volume up and down keys. They are definitely working properly, and so on. Just pick the feature that you would like to test and perform the check-in. So that would be all, and we can go back. Now if you'd like to disable emote, you have to enter another code, which is *983 *256 736 and pound at the end. And as you can see, the emote is disabled. So this is it. That would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your ZTE Axon Pro. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.